Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Bollinger Band %B indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, before we get into testing the indicator today, wanted to put up the indicator scoreboard. So to date, we have tested 25 indicators, and out of those 25 indicators, 7 of them have met or exceeded the 60% win rate threshold. So they are winners. So as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of these 7 indicators and start profitably trading the market now. So go watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work to maximize your profits. All right, let's get into testing the indicator. As I said, it is the Bollinger Band %B indicator. It is similar to the RSI in that it has an overbought and an oversold line designation, and it has the area in between. So basically, when the red line here crosses up above the overbought line at the top, or down below the oversold line below, we are looking for the indicator, the line, to come back in to this middle area. And that would be an indicator to go short or an indicator to go long if we're crossing up from below. All right, so that's how we are going to trade it. Let's get on with testing the indicator now. So it is plugging along here. Didn't quite make it into the overbought area on this one, but it did on this one. And so it has crossed up above here to the overbought territory, and it has then come back down, crossing down below the overbought, which would be a sign that the up move here, the buying pressure is starting to weaken, and we should see a move as it comes down. Let's follow it here and see what we get out of it. That did indeed come back down. Let's see if it gave us the 60 pips that we're looking for, and it did. So we have a winner there on the first signal. Okay, so we are going to move on now and see what else we can get out of this. One thing I do like about indicators like this is that it does have this middle zone here, and this middle zone will often help to filter out choppy markets. So that is a plus to having not a zero line cross, but to have a overbought, oversold line cross type indicator. So let's see, we got another signal here. Let's follow it and see what happens. Does look like that one would have stopped us out. So this was the candle here. And yes, that would have been a losing trade on that one. It then went back into the overbought area and came back down into, there we go, we got a good signal on that one. Doesn't seem to be doing too bad. Well, I mean, I guess it's not doing too great either. Definitely doesn't look like it's going to meet our requirements. That's all right. We'll keep plugging along with it here. Doesn't seem to be giving a whole lot of signals, which again, you know, isn't necessarily the end of the world if those signals are very good signals. Then sometimes the difference can be compensated. But if it's giving very few signals and the majority of them are bad signals, then that is a problem. We are nearing the end of the year now. Couple wins here. And some really weird spikes right there. Those are some strange spikes right there for some reason. Almost there. Let's see what this last one does. Looks like we did pick it up there. Sure did. Yeah, nice little cluster of wins here right at the end. So there we are. We are at the end of the year now, and it turned out to not be too bad of an indicator. Let's add them up here and see what we got. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15 trades. Out of those 15, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 wins. So yes, that does meet the standard we are looking for. That exceeds the 60% win rate. So it will go on the list, just like its brother, the Bollinger Band itself. So, yeah, a few thoughts about it. Like I said, it seems to, you know, 15 trades isn't bad. Looked like there for a minute we weren't going to get very many trades out of it, but it did seem to pick up towards the end. I do like the fact that it gives us the ability to filter out the choppiness. Some things that I do, you know, like, you know, kind of what what I often like to do with indicators like this is to kind of play around with the location of these different bands and see what I can get out of them. See if I can get a little bit better results. Maybe, you know, speed up the indicator a little bit. It does seem like it's throwing out a few random signals. But yeah, I mean, all in all, with a little bit of tweaking, we might be able to bump up the wins that this indicator can achieve, and or use it as a chop filter. There's hope for it. So, like I said, it met the criteria, so it's going on the win list. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, all right, everybody, I will see you on the next video.